The East Oak XL Lunchbox is an innovative solution for those needing a convenient way to enjoy hot meals on the go, thanks to its cordless design and robust battery that allows for heating without the need for outlets. With a generous capacity of over 6 cups, this lunchbox is perfect for individuals with hearty appetites, ensuring that even the hungriest workers can enjoy a satisfying meal wherever they are. One of the standout features is the Smart Scheduled Heating function, which allows users to set their mealtime preferences in advance, ensuring their food is hot and ready precisely when they need it. The lunchbox's heating plate can reach temperatures of up to 220 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for thoroughly warming a variety of meals, including those with dense ingredients like stews and pasta. Designed for convenience, the East Oak XL Lunchbox includes a complete meal kit with utensils, a removable food divider, and a spacious 2-tier insulation bag, eliminating the need for additional purchases. Its leak-proof design, combined with a durable silicone-sealed lid, ensures that meals remain contained and secure during transport, offering peace of mind for those carrying it to work or on outdoor jobs.